Hi, let's see a choker. Beautiful. 3 layers. It's available in the golden beads as well as in the pearls. Center is the Lakshmi, and you have small green pearls in the bottom. It goes well with the sari as well as the samsalwar also. Looks very traditional and elegant. It have matching earrings also. Cute one. Wisdom. The same green at the bottom, green pearl at the bottom, and Lakshmi in this, and there is a small ruby stone is also there.